Welcome to Chemistry Tutorial 360. Today we are going to balance complex chemical equations. Okay, there are some rules that I would like to explain in just 4 steps. So keep watching this video and learn everything. So this is heptane, and which is a member of hydrocarbon. The general formula of heptane, like the general formula of alkane, like CnH2n plus 2. If you place 7 in this formula, then you will get C7H16. However, this is not the case. The case is that we have to balance this equation, and to balance this equation, at first I will draw a table like this. So this is the table, and in the left hand side we have here 7 carbon, and here we have 16 hydrogen, and here we have 2 oxygen, and on the right hand side we have here 1 carbon, here we have 2 oxygen plus 1 oxygen, that gives you 3 oxygen, and here you have 2 hydrogen. Okay, and in the second step we have to balance the number of atoms from both sides. So you can start with carbon, hydrogen, but I never recommend to start with oxygen, because in the right hand side oxygen present in two compounds. In this type of situation create problems, so always avoid the atom that present in more than one compound. So let's start with carbon. So here you have 7 carbon, but here you have 1. So to balance the carbon, what can you do? You just multiply by 7, that gives you 7 carbon, and this 7, remember, must come before this carbon, and you have to search for carbon. So you have to place here 7, right? So you are getting here 7 carbon and 14 oxygen, right? So you have to update your oxygen now. Okay, 14 plus 1, that gives you 15, right? That gives you 15 oxygen. However, your carbon is balanced, but your hydrogen is not balanced. So to balance the hydrogen, what can you do? You can multiply here the 16, here too. So you can multiply here by 8, that gives you 16, right? And this 8 must come before this hydrogen that is here. So you have to place here 8. If you place here 8, the number of hydrogen will be 16, and oxygen will be 14 times 8, that is 22. So you are getting here 22 oxygen on the right hand side, but here you have 2. So to balance the oxygen, you can multiply here by 11, that gives you 22, and this 11 must come before this oxygen that is here. So you have to place here 11, right? So now everything is balanced. Carbon 7 7, hydrogen 16 16, oxygen 22 20. So everything balanced. Now you can say that this is the balanced equation. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.